Hi guys, this is Arun Krishna, and in this video let us unbox the Boat Bassheads 225. So yeah, let's do the unboxing now. So I had got this Boat Bassheads from Amazon for 600 rupees, and let's see the features over here. So the super extra bass, one button microphone, flat tangle free cables, uh, hands-free pickup end with that one button. And this package contains headphones and extra earbuds. Okay, so now it's got a list price of 1000 rupees, but most of the times Amazon sells it for 600 and under 600 rupees. So yeah, let's quickly unbox. Okay, inside the box we get, as stated, the extra earbuds and the headphone itself. So let's keep this aside for now and let's see what we get inside this extra earbuds. So let's open this thing up. So yeah, these are the extra earbuds that you would get with this Boat Bassheads, and you also get a clip to attach the earphones to your shirt or t-shirt, so that's cool. And you also get ear hooks so that you can be sure that your headphones won't come fall right off your ear, so that's another cool thing to include. And we've got earbuds of various sizes, and there are 3 or 4 different sizes, I guess. So here's one, two, and they're also of 2 colors, which is multicolor gray and red thing, and a clear black thing. So yeah, setting aside this now and getting back to the earphone. Okay, and here it is, the earphone. Let's remove this thing. So yeah, in this earphone we get, as stated, a tangle-free flat cables, and which is of good quality, and I don't think they would get damaged very easily. And here are the ear pieces, and the housing is made up of metal, as you can see, and it is also given a nice texture, and it feels pretty nice. So yeah, and it also feels sturdy because of the metal, but also the weight is a little bit high thanks to the metal. And here we have the 3.5 mm audio jack, which is the L-shaped one, and so this ensures that the tip of the headphone jack does not gets damaged easily. And it is also, I think, gold plated. Yeah, so that's a good thing too. And it's got the Bassheads branding over here, and also the microphone and the button. Yeah, it is right here. Okay, so here is the microphone, and this thing is the button. This whole thing acts as a button. So as you can see, this is the button. This whole plastic is the button, and behind this is the microphone. So yes guys, I will try to do a full review of this product, and please stay subscribed for that, and please like and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys, this is Arun Krishna signing out. Bye bye now.